In this short video tutorial, we will understand how we can use the continue statement with the while loop. So in the previous tutorial, we understood how we can use the continue statement with the for loop, in which we also discussed that the continue statement does not stop the execution of the for loop, but it only alters the way in which the loop executes its logic. So the logic or the code which is below the continue statement is not executed. Only the code which is above the continue statement gets executed. So let us take another example in which we will see how we can use the continue statement to alter the flow of alter the logic of the while loop. So we have created an integer variable a and given it a value 0. So we are creating a while loop that will run till the value of a is less than 10, and at every step it will print the value of a on the screen, and we will increment the value of a here. So if I run this loop, you will notice that we have printed 0 till 9 on the screen by making use of this code that we have written. Now let's see how we can use the continue statement with the while loop. So I'm writing a simple logic that if the value of if the value of a is odd, so whenever the value of a is odd, it should this condition will become true, and we will have to run the continue statement, and the continue statement will take the control back to the while loop. So this line, both these lines of code will not get printed. So I'll also have to increment the value of a here, because if we do not increment the value of a, then the while loop might end up into becoming an infinite loop. So this logic says that if the value of a is odd, then increment a and continue, which means that we are preventing this both these lines of code from execution. So let me draw the path to help you understand better. So when the value of a is odd, we will increment a by 1, and we will go back to the while loop. So we will prevent this line of code from its execution. So this line of code, or let's say both these lines of code which are a part of the while loop, they will only run when the value of a is even. So they will not run when the value of a is odd. So let's run our program and see what output we get. So the output we should get is that only the even numbers should get printed and the odd numbers should not be printed. So the output says that we have printed 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So only the even numbers got printed, because in case of odd numbers we had to run the continue statement, which took the control back to the while loop, and it prevented both these lines of code from their execution. So this is how you can use the continue statement to alter the flow of the logic execution inside the while loop. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.